Erectile dysfunction is often thought of as a physical issue, but for many men, the cause is psychological. Stress, anxiety, and emotional factors can directly affect sexual performance. If this is something you're experiencing, you're not alone, and it's treatable. Let's talk about the causes of psychological erectile dysfunction and what actually helps. Number 1. Anxiety disrupts performance. Sexual arousal requires relaxation and focus, but when anxiety is present, the body shifts into a stress response. Increased cortisol and adrenaline interfere with blood flow and arousal, making it difficult to maintain an erection. Performance anxiety can create a cycle where fear of failure leads to repeated difficulty. Number 2. Stress and mental overload play a major role. Chronic stress from work, relationships, or life changes can reduce libido and interfere with sexual function. When your mind is overloaded, your body prioritizes coping with stress rather than intimacy. Number 3. Avoidance can reinforce the cycle. After a difficult experience, some people begin to avoid intimacy out of fear or embarrassment. This avoidance increases anxiety over time and can affect emotional connection with a partner. Number 4. Emotional factors and relationship dynamics matter. Communication issues, unresolved conflict, low self-esteem, or past experiences can all contribute. Psychological erectile dysfunction is often not just about the individual, but also about the emotional environment within the relationship. Number 5. Treatment focuses on reducing anxiety and restoring confidence. Therapy is one of the most effective treatments. Cognitive behavioral therapy can help address performance anxiety and negative thought patterns. Mindfulness techniques, stress management, and gradual exposure to intimacy can rebuild confidence over time. In some cases, medical support may also be recommended to reduce performance pressure while addressing the psychological root causes. A combined approach often leads to the best outcomes. Recovery is not about forcing performance, it's about creating safety, reducing pressure, and rebuilding connection with yourself and your partner. At SDKare, our licensed providers offer confidential support for psychological erectile dysfunction. Through telehealth, we help you address anxiety, improve communication, and explore treatment options in a private, supportive environment. You're not alone, and this is treatable. With the right support, confidence and connection can return. Visit SDKare.com to book an appointment. SDKare, simple, dedicated, care for your mind, body, and relationships.